Day at Animal Kingdom. Don't know what we're gonna do. We were thinking just stay and hang out inside Pandora. Hey, what's that behind me? Who are you? Who are you?
Hello.
What are you doing over there, babe?
It's so beautiful to watch the rain in the rainforest and the lily clouds float with all the flowers.
It's going to rain the majority of the day, so
Yep.
I don't know. Let's. Oh, there you are. Let's get you in there.
Probably gonna go over to private Avatar Flight of Passage.
Yeah, I was just saying that.
Or
Like hang out in dry locations at Animal Kingdom, because I don't think you can do much. I mean, this is not fun. You won't see like animals and stuff. It's like a quiet park day.
Yeah. There's not a lot of people. But
Nope.
It's raining.
It's raining. It'll be raining for majority of the evening.
Hey, look! Check out my new ears.
You build out of lies and deception, raising your weapon. Every word you speak dripping with venom. You're playing with fire, preparing for war. I'm ready to settle the score. You're sounding the alarm while I'm trying to remain in the calm before the storm.
Guys, we're standing in an area that I've never even stood in before at Pandora. Look at this screen. It goes all the way down and all the way around. And we're on the other side of the thing you stimulate for whatever, water. But yeah. Never been in this area before. This is beautiful. There is like a screen here that you can just stare at. And yeah, of course the ambience.
So we're at No Man's Lounge, connected to Tiffins, and look at the views. Amazing. And enjoying the lovely drinks, and the temperature and the weather is not the best, but it's beautiful outside though. Kira's drink is the Tempting Tigress, and it's made with a bourbon. And then mine is the Jen's Tattoo, and it's got watermelon, hibiscus, and Kettle One vodka.
Of course, my drink is always terribly strong. Maybe it's the bartenders. Maybe they go, oh, he's a man, he can handle it. But I mean, I am in a theme park. These theme parks are always making us tipsy. They say it's bourbon, but I swear this tastes like scotch on the rocks. Like, it just tastes like straight scotch. There's no sugar. Do you taste any sugar in this? Zero sugar. How's your drink, babe? Yeah?
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
It's sweet.
It's sweet.
It's subtle.
Meanwhile, I got... Oh, I'm sorry. What were you going to say?
It wasn't finished. It's got little watermelon puree throughout the drink. It's pretty good though.
Meanwhile, I was, still talking about how strong mine is. It's okay. We're here for a little while. It's like 4:30 and the park closes at 7. Is it still raining? I think it stopped raining too. Oh, never mind. It's still raining. It'll be raining all day. But this is what you do. You just, do most of your stuff indoors or film. Just hang out. When you live in Florida, near the parks, you just do it this way.
So here's our soup. Inside you have some cilantro lime creme, a poached lobster, a pickled jalapeno, some corn and tahini seasoning with a piece of micro cilantro. And then here's our sweet corn and cream soup. And then this is our lobster mac and cheese. Red ceramic will be very hot. There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Alright, so I got the lobster creamy mac and cheese. And it's filled with clumps of lobster and then a lot of cheese sauce. And then Justin got, it's a corn soup with lobster chunks in it as well.
So as they were just traveling, like the big pictures of murals, that's kind of like their actual sketch-ups of what was happening in the countries of the things they witnessed. So like if you see like those little heads, that's actually leftover pieces from the Mount Everest attraction. So they're like, we had enough built, and then we're like, let's just make a little mural out of it. So that's from the Yetis. In Asia, if the artists like ran out of space and things to draw, they would plaster brick walls and then paint on top of it. So if you've been on some of the jungle treks and you see how they painted on the walls, that's exactly what they saw when they were walking around the country. So once the flag would deteriorate, they would feel that the spirits have answered their prayers or something. So like,
I'm sorry, once the flag deteriorated?
so they would write their prayer on the flag,
Yes.
and then once it deteriorated, they would feel that their prayer had been answered.
Okay.
These photo boxes are of the Imagineers actually out on their adventures and traveling. It's like this is what a safari looked like for them. They rode elephants through water, and obviously we don't do that on our safari. But that's the type of thing that they experienced, and that's what they were trying to recreate when they did the park. So it's some of their pictures from all over. But this I like too because it's a picture of Joe Rody, some type of like meditation, like meditation. So he's sitting on this pillow with this bowl and like a gong.
Oh, yeah.
So some type of, I don't know.
Oh yeah, those make really decent noises.
But it's like a cool little piece.
Yeah.
These are his actual sketchbooks. So like his little drawings and things that they would do.
Actual sketch. Oh, and an actual pencil. Wow. Yeah, this is bigger than
We can sneak into the right, but this is the safari room. Inspired after their travels to Africa.
Wow.
Over here, like with Tiffins, they could be placed in different rooms. Yeah. And this is our grand gallery. Oh, I call it like just a celebration of life, celebration of animals. The hidden Easter egg is the totem poles. So, of those 5 totem poles, there's a ton of animals that are carved into them, and each animal on the totem pole is protected by the Disney Conservation Fund.
Wow.
So that's kind of like a monument to say here's the animals that were protected. But every species that is protected is on the pole.
Anytime, please have a good one, okay?
So neat, man.
Look at all the butterflies.
Yeah. So, I chugged that bourbon, so you know I'm a little tipsy. Rachel over here enjoying. And we're going to have more drinks later, possibly with friends. No? I don't know what's going on. Oh, check out this view. Yep. I don't know if you can see it very well, but to me you can. All right, let's go see what's inside of Flight of Passage.
I will carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go, I need you to know I will carry you home. I will carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go, I need you to know I will carry you home.
Avatar has always, or I'm sorry, Flight of Passage never fails. It's like the best ride. This and Rise of the Resistance. Would you agree, Rachel?
Yes. This ride, you could ride it any day. A rainy day, a thunderstorm day. And it'll just take all that away until you come back outside and see that it's still raining.
I agree. I even love when we exit, like the music on this ride. It always makes you feel like, you just feel so amazing getting off this ride. Ever since opening day. See, like, that's an experience.
4 hours.
When a ride, 4 hours we waited opening day.
4 hours.
When a ride
Worth it, though.
can make you have an experience that's amazing, where you feel amazing getting off of it, that's what we want every theme park to do.
Yes.
That's all. Give us the experience of the gift of the experience. All right.
All right.
Let's go ahead and see if we can go ahead and meet up with some friends. See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Carry you home when you got nowhere to go. I need you to know I will carry you home. Carry you home. I will carry you
The Pongo Lumpia, which is a pineapple and cream cheese egg roll.
I will carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go.
Is this your spot?
This is my favorite spot.
Stop making us bounce. We're going to die. And then, we'll be in trouble.
I love this bridge.
Yeah?
This is me and your bridge. This
Alright.
is Justin and Rachel's bridge.
No one else can walk on this bridge. This is our bridge only.
It's our little secret hideaway.
All right, let's go meet friends.
I love you.
All right, so I met up with some friends over at the Grand Destinado, or the Grand Destino. And I've got, one more time, Bob.
Interview the vampire. What? El Pepino.
El Popino, because you already know I can't pronounce anything.
Pepino.
And look, we got Bob here. Look at Bob.
Hi.
Yeah.
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 I say yeah.
Yeah. And then we got Kai.
Yeah.
Hey.
I'm the coolest.
Wait, who's that over there? Who's that? Is that Kelly? Yeah. Oh my God! Hey, Kelly, how you doing? And then Rachel. No one cares about Rachel, so we're gonna go back to me, and it's all about me. Oh wait, I'm sorry. We'll let you say like one thing. That's it. No, you can't say that.
I would like water.
Anyways,
What do you want?
we'll be right back. Oh yeah. That is a rocket. Wow. This is the second time I've been to Disney and seen a rocket.
Tarantino.
Quentin Tarantino. Oh no, shooting each other. There's blood everywhere. This is gore beyond gore. This is not allowed to happen at Disney World, guys. This is only a Universal thing. You can't do that.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And the German guy is always in the Tarantino movies. Oh, I love to kill you.
That is true. All right, so we're leaving the Grand Estado now. As you saw, we were just there with friends, Bob and Kelly. Oh man, and Kai, always great seeing you. See, those are our really good friends. Like, before it's like a vlogger meetup type of thing. Let's see how we like people. But now we love them and we like hanging out with them a lot. So we do it occasionally. And I hope that also happens with others of you in this group as well, because, like, I mean, in a sense, we kind of like need each other. You know, we like to do the same thing, so why not hang with the same type of people that do the same things you do? But in that, we're closing this out, and me and Rachel are driving, so you know how that is. We like to focus on this road because it's wet out.
Have a good night, everyone.
Yes. Oh my God. Yeah. The gates are coming down into Grand Destinado, and she's like crashing into it. She almost killed us. I don't know if I should let her drive us home.
Almost kill us.
Almost. Anyways, so Rachel, say goodbye before you kill us.
Bye, guys.
And
safe driver here.
subscribe, like, and as always, this has been interesting. See ya.